Tom. What do you usually do on weekends?
Well, I wake up late on Saturdays, then I meet my friends for coffee. How about you?
I go hiking every Sunday. My brother joins me sometimes.
That sounds fun. Where do you go?
We visit Green Valley Park. It has amazing trails.
Nice. My sister loves hiking too, but she doesn't live nearby.
Oh, that's too bad. Does she call you often?
Yes, she calls every Friday. We talk for hours.
Oh, that's sweet. My family lives far away too, but we text daily.
Family is important. Hey, do you want to grab lunch now?
Sure, this cafe serves great sandwiches.